Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to clear your browsing data in Carbon Browser on mobile devices. This is an important process to maintain your privacy, free up storage space, and ensure your browser runs smoothly. First, open the Carbon Browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings to open the browser configuration page. After that, find and tap on Privacy and Security to access your browsing data options. Next, click on Delete Browsing Data to begin the process. Then, you will see a list of data types, such as browsing history, cookies, and cached files. Check the boxes next to the data you want to delete according to your preference. After selecting the data, choose a time range, for example, the last 4 weeks, or select All Time to clear everything. Finally, tap on Delete Data to confirm your selection. The browser will then remove the selected data, freeing up space and protecting your privacy. You can repeat this process regularly to keep your browser clean and efficient. Thank you for watching.